Warm. It was warm yesterday,
yes,
like in the 90s. My goodness.
Broke a couple of records yesterday. Let's go ahead and just head outside right now and I'll show you what I was talking about. Now notice how the airport is reporting 70. I am not, well, okay, we'll go with 70 at the airport. But Camp Mabry hasn't budged in almost 2 hours at 60 degrees. We were talking about those records that we broke. We're looking at 93 degrees was the high yesterday at Camp Mabry and 92 at the airport. Now these records, for example, at Camp Mabry, the old record was 90, and that was set in 1939. And at the airport, the old record was 89, set in 1974. And we got all the way up to 92 yesterday at the airport. Now, mold-wise, not so bad. We're looking at medium for our allergies. Oak, however, is high, just like willow, which is also high. Several thousand parts per million, and that's the stuff that kind of makes your nose twitch just a little bit and causes you to sneeze. And here we go, our March lack of rain. Happy April 2nd, number 1. Number 2, look at this. We have had hardly any rain, 0.15 at the airport, and then 0.09 at Camp Mabry, and the 4th driest on record there at Camp Mabry, and then the 3rd driest since 1942 at the airport. Dry air is going to be the theme as we take a look at our lake levels as well. We are down across the board at the lakes, my goodness, and here's our scenario for the next few days or so. We're looking at today. We have fire conditions through Monday, so please don't throw things out of your car windows like cigarettes, and make sure you dispose of those barbecue embers correctly as well. We do have a small chance of some PM showers tomorrow and into Monday morning, and then the weekday clear up is on its way to us. Clouds and radar forecast in motion here. Notice how we don't have a lot of cloud cover. And if we do, it's more in the form of patchy fog because of high pressure moving in. Clouds and radar, that's about it. Into tomorrow, we have this dry line which is encroaching upon us there. And we have our dry air right behind it. And then low pressure off to the north and high pressure off to the east. And that's what gives us that wind that is going to be detrimental to us over the next few days. So dry air coming in. Lows tonight in the upper 60s for most of us. Right now it is 60 degrees at Camp Mabry. We're on our way up to a high of 90 and mostly cloudy to partly cloudy tonight as well, and 68 degrees. Our 7-day forecast, so a small chance of a PM shower tomorrow and a high of 88. But then we have a cold front coming through. It's very dry. It's only going to drop our temperatures just a little bit into Monday and Tuesday. And then notice how by Tuesday, that's one of our cooler temperatures overnight, right around 49 to 50 for most of us. And then a high in the upper 70s to low 80s until Thursday when we rebound back into the mid 80s.